Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'll be showing you how you can apply tempered glass to your brand new device. So before I get started, I do want to kind of clarify this. You can probably see it says iPhone 16 Pro Max. This ain't iPhone 16 Pro Max. So that's kind of what sellers do, because the displays are, the size of them is about the same. This should fit over here just perfectly. Yep, and it kind of does. Just taking a look at it. Yep, that seems fine. So you can see it's for a different device, supposedly a previous model, but it will work with this one because the displays haven't changed at all. Testament to Apple's ingenuity, or lack thereof one. Now anyway, apart from that, we will have our wet and dry wipes along with the stickers. Once you clean it off, you can use those stickers to remove any kind of dust that might settle on a display easily. Let's grab this, plop it on like so. So before I get to cleaning the display, I'm going to quickly explain how to apply tempered glass, at least the way I do it, which works just flawlessly for me. So starting off, I can peel this off. So when you peel it off, it will reveal the sticky side on your glass. So whatever you yoink here, that's garbage, and then you just plop the display or glass like this. Now I hold it by the edges like this, and I apply it at an angle. So from a side like this. With an angle, it allows me to position it left or right here, up and down. So I can, you see, shift it from left to right generally here, like so. So I can position it just perfectly, and then once it's positioned correctly right here, I'll apply pressure and then just make sure that it is, correctly below here, and just drop it. So with that out of the way, let's clean off the display. You can use the wet and dry wipes, or something that I like to do is just use a microfiber cloth. It's much bigger and easier to clean your screen with this rather than a thumb-sized little cloth. The only benefit is the wet wipes come with alcohol, which means that it will also dissolve any kind of finger oils that you might have left on the display. When cleaning off the display, just make sure you get rid of any kind of dirt here, and primarily focus on getting rid of dust. So once you clean it off, you can then use the stickers to get rid of any kind of dust that might settle. There's something here as well. Okay, looks pretty good now. So now let's grab our tempered glass and apply it. Like I mentioned, I'm gonna holding it at an angle, and I'm adjusting it at the very top bezel. And when I'm satisfied with what I think is basically the middle, I can drop it. You can see it's right now adhering to the display. Now when you get some kind of air bubbles sometimes, which I managed to have none, you can push them out usually, but I also can suggest that you can lift it up just gently and let the air escape through there. Sometimes when you have like an air bubble somewhere here in a corner and you just squeeze it, it will disappear, but because you're just compressing air, eventually it will still show up again. So in this case, you can just with your fingernail lift it up gently and let the air escape and push it down, and it should be fine. But there we go. That's basically how you apply tempered glass to your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.